Okay, good afternoon. This is County Court at Law 2 for San Patricio County. I'm Viki Martino. We have a 2 o'clock docket. This is status docket. Let's see. Is Mr. Salias, is he here? Yes.
I am, Your Honor. I'm here.
Good afternoon, Mr. Salias. How are you?
Good, Your Honor. Good
All
afternoon.
right. So the first two cases I have are 22-CR-90018 and 90019, State versus Richard Daniel Aranda.
That's correct, Your Honor. I called the DA's office and they still have not indicted that case, the felony case. They didn't give me a timeline in which they would do that.
Okay, is it a possession case?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, then let's set you for October 20th for status. Is your client here?
It should be on, Your Honor. I don't know if I talked to him yesterday, and they should have logged on. I'm not sure if they're in a waiting room or not.
Mr.
No.
No. Could I have a moment to call my 3 clients, Your Honor? Because I have 2 other ones.
Yes, you may.
I see Gonzalez and Salinas in the room.
Okay,
Okay.
Mr. Salinas is here, Mr. Gonzalez. So let's take care of them. And then I'll give you an opportunity to call Mr. Aranda.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So if we can get Mr. Salinas into the courtroom. All right, there he is. Okay, this is cause number 22-CR-90262, State versus Joe Luis Salinas. Hello, Mr. Salinas.
Hello.
All right, your attorney, Mr. Salias, is here, as well as Mr. Gardner, the attorney for the state. Mr. Salias, what information can you provide to the court concerning Mr. Salinas's pending felony?
Your Honor, I called before lunch on his case. They have it at the DA's office, but they have not indicted it. I would ask for at least 30 days, Your Honor, because they may indict it here in the next grand jury session they have.
Okay, then let's do the September 22nd status then.
Yes, Your Honor.
So Mr. Salinas, your next appearance will also be by Zoom. It will be September 22nd. Mr. Salias will send you the link about a week before that date. And you'll appear just like you did today.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you for your appearance. Have a nice weekend.
Yes, ma'am. Likewise. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right. And if we can bring in Mr. Gonzalez, please. That's him. Mr. Gonzalez, will you show your video, please? This is cause number 22-CR-90954, State of Texas versus Roberto Gonzalez.
Your Honor,
There
on
he
this
is.
case, I have the same announcement. I called before noon and they told me they have the file. I just don't know how many days they need to indict it, Your Honor.
Okay. Would you like the September status or the October?
Your Honor, can I do the October one just
Yes.
in case?
No problem. All right,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
this case is going to be set for status on October 20th. Mr. Gonzalez, Thank you for appearing today. Your next appearance is October 20th. It will also be by Zoom. Mr. Salias will send you the link about a week before that date.
Your Honor, I'll notify him. I think he's
Okay.
having trouble with the
Okay.
audio.
All right, so October 20th for status.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Yes, and if you just can get a hold of Mr. Aranda, if he'll just sign in and we see his face and let him know that October 20th date, then he'll be good to go as well.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm going to call him right now to do that.
Okay, all right, and I see where Mr. Gonzalez actually has two cases. His other cause is 22-CR-90955, and that is also set for October 20th.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. That takes care of our 2 o'clock docket. We will be in recess until 3 o'clock.
Judge,
Yes.
we do have Freedom Bonilla. He was supposed to appear this morning with Credigram, and he's on.
Oh, okay. Is he in the courtroom? Because I can't see.
I'm letting him in
anything.
right now. He's connecting.
You muted me. Hmm. I can't find him on the docket. What page is he on?
Page 13, Judge.
Thank you. I just hadn't gotten far enough, I guess. All right, this is cause number 22-CR-89906, State versus Freedom Bonilla. Good afternoon, Mr. Bonilla. Mr. Bonilla, if you'll unmute your phone.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. All right, so Ms. Graham appeared this morning. Your felony case is still pending, so we have set you for another status hearing on October 20th. That will be by, if you'll stand still, sir, stand still.
I'm sorry about that.
Okay. Your next appearance is October 20th. That will also be by Zoom. Ms. Graham will send you the link about a week before that date. Okay?
All righty, I appreciate that.
You're welcome. I'm glad that you appeared this afternoon. All right?
I know, I'm sorry about that.
Okay, so we will see you by Zoom on October 20th.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bonilla. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Okay. Does that take care of everyone until 3?
Yes, that's
All
it.
right.
Your Honor,
Yes.
sorry, it's Gabriel Salais again, Your Honor. My client, Mr. Aranda, said that he's logging on. I'm not sure if he's showing up on your
Okay.
computer.
All right, we'll wait. No problem.
I'm letting someone in right now. It says DHM. I'm not quite sure if that's him.
That's him, Your Honor. That's Mr. Aranda.
Okay. Mr. Aranda,
Who wants me to start my video? I start my video like this.
Mr. Aranda, this is cause numbers 22-CR-90018 and 90019, State versus Richard Aranda. Mr. Aranda, I've spoken with your attorney, Mr. Salias. He indicates that your felony is still unindicted. So we have set you for status on October 20th. That will be your next status date. It will also be by Zoom. Mr. Salias's office will forward you the login information about a week before that date. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Salias, that takes care of all the cases that you have on the docket.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too.
All
Likewise.
right.
That's it.
Okay, so court is in recess until 3 o'clock. I will see you all then.